No. Go.
We got Cookie putting stuff in his mouth. We're not sure what this is. And Coke, he's going to vomit.
Should I put the mints in first?
Put the mints in first.
This is Andrew George putting Coke in his mouth, followed by a couple Mentos.
Dang, man. That really does work.
This is take 2.
Okay, that's it.
Hello, gorgeous.
Oh, we get 2 of them. Alright, let's hit that hard button.
This is Coke and Mentos with a water balloon filler on top of it. Pull when you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, step back. Oh, it fell over! Works, we already tried it. But whenever you're ready. It's not gonna go. It's flat.
Let me get on the inside. Oh, I see the explosion.
Here we have Brian Cook putting Mentos and Coke in his mouth. Do it again, do it again.
Oh my god!
Drink it now.
No! Oh, it's such a nasty taste in your mouth.
Yeah, now my friends have to shower there, I think.
Look, it's still going. How far should you stand back?
We got Big T, we got Cook. We're ready. We're ready.
Step back.
You rolling?
Mentos, back up, back up. Oh, back up.
More! 1 paper clip!
Are you lighting it on fire?
Do you want more? Tell her you cut that on tape. You guys look.
We got D train. He's commentary.
Here we go, here we go.
I'm backing up. You don't know.
Yeah, I'm backing up too.
This thing could fall over and
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready, Cook. Yeah, so back.
Oh, that sucked.
What do you mean that sucked?
How did you feel about it, Eric?
I'm scared. Dude, that was
Derek was scared.
Doing some pretty mischievous acts on the covers.
Now I am.
Go.
Oh, we got the camera wet. Did it really? Told you it shot the camera.
Did it get the camera though?
Nah. Stop recording.
Shoot outside. That's all it did.